Hello food lovers, welcome back to my kitchen. I thought it was about time to share my recipe for easy Bombay potatoes with you. The first step is to bring the water to boil in a large pot. Meanwhile, we prepare the potatoes. For this recipe, I used 8 medium potatoes and I cut them into cubes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt in the boiling water and stir. Add the potatoes and now it's time to add the first flavor. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Stir and then let them boil until the potatoes are fork tender, approximately 20 minutes. Meanwhile, chop 1 onion for extra flavor. Strain the potatoes from the water and transfer them to a large bowl. Add the chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, two tablespoons of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of curry and half teaspoon of black pepper. Stir until all ingredients are combined. The last step is to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and stir again. Transfer the potatoes to a baking sheet. Bake them for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Remove from oven and serve them hot. For more freshness, add parsley on top. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. And if you did, don't forget to give a like and leave a comment. If you want to see more secrets in the oven recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!